Now if you've seen any of my videos, you'll know that I don't really complain. I just kind of crack on with my job and make the most of it. But today's different. Yeah, just don't seem to have the motivation today. And I know why. It's because the snow's going. It really is a bit milder today than it was yesterday. That might sound like a good thing, but it's not, because it's wet instead. Yesterday was just cold, and I got around that by being active and busy and just hard work basically. Today I can't, I'm just wet. I don't like it. So I'm not doing the job I was going to do this morning, but instead I decided I should take apart that Rover 75 front subframe and kind of almost show you how it's done. But the only trouble is I can't really seem to get it apart. I've got the steering rack off, and of course the springs and the anti-roll bar, and the rest of it just isn't coming apart so easily. So I'm going to do something else instead. I'm going to clean these wheels up and put them up for sale. They look pretty grotty. That one doesn't look too bad. That one does, but yeah, pretty grotty. But on the plus side, all of them have got decent tread on. This one appears to be covered in sort of tar or something like that. The best thing I can do with that is, yep, good old WD-40. Now when I sell wheels, I like to clean them properly because I want a decent price from them. If I wanted £40, I might as well just go and weigh them in, hadn't I? So I like to clean the backs of them as well. And in here, in this trigger spray bottle, I have some hydrochloric acid. Unbranded bottle, as you see. But then it's a couple of chemicals mixed together, not a tin of soup. Spray liberally so the whole surface is covered, or until you choke, whichever comes first. I did just choke on it then. And look at the difference. Quite a good start, that. They don't look that different, do they, really? Spent ages doing that as well. But anyway, I'll just have to do it a bit more. Right, well, it's snowing again now, and now I can't tell whether they look any better or not. I wanted it to snow, now I don't. Isn't that strange? Well, what do you expect?